Am I the only one that didn't know what swell means? Let's dive into it together. First up, physical swelling. Imagine blowing up a balloon. As you add more air, the balloon gets bigger and bigger. That's like swelling, when something, like your skin, puffs up due to an injury. For example, if you get stung by a bee, the area might swell, just like how a balloon expands when you blow air into it. Now, let's talk about emotional or situational swelling. Think of your feelings like water in a pot. When the heat is turned up, the water starts to boil and rises. That's like emotions swelling when something makes you very happy, angry, or excited. For instance, as the concert continued, the excitement in the crowd began to swell, like water boiling over. So whether it's a balloon or boiling water, swelling is all about things getting bigger or more intense. Hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-understand videos. Catch you next time.